Congratulations on your new DOT number. There are a couple of other steps you may need to take now that you hold this license. This video is an easy tutorial on what you may need. Please subscribe now to our channel where we have daily videos to help your company successfully navigate compliance. Now, the first thing you need to know is that with every driver that you employ, you must give them a new drug and alcohol test before they start working. This can be called a drug and alcohol program. It's easy to sign up with a consortium like us. You can access our program on our website, FMCSA registration.com. If you intend to operate over state lines, you will need BOC3 registration, which is an active processing agent in all states. You will also need UCR registration. Next, your carrier must set up driver qualification files. This is commonly neglected by most new carriers, which is one of the most common types of violations in a DOT audit, which you will receive within 3 to 9 months of today's date. This is when the authorities will potentially check to see if you have all the things we are talking about in this video correctly filed. The next step is to obtain insurance in your state. Different classifications require different insurance. It's your responsibility to keep your insurance in good standing. Otherwise, your license could be revoked. After insurance is set up, you have two options when it comes to securing commercial license plates. If you will only operate in one state, you could obtain plates from that specific state. Otherwise, if you're operating in more than one state, please take apportioned plates into consideration. You can receive these plates through what's called IRP registration, which you can apply for on the home page of our site. Once your IRP application is accepted, you will receive new license plates in the mail. Last but not least, we have IFTA registration. It's an establishment of your fuel taxes and is supported by a sticker you put on the side of your vehicles stating you're part of this program. If you want to sign up for any of these products, don't hesitate to give our office a phone call. We are open from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Our phone number is 866-477-0707. Best of luck. I hope this video helped. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel now. Registration LLC is the #1 third party in the industry. Please visit FMCSA registration.com.